Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a homage beat.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Your whole home is your altar. Your home, or the space you occupy, is a gateway to your spiritual light. Everything you put around your home has meaning to it, purpose. The humans put these things up because it looks nice and cute, and want other people to validate what they have in their home as looking nice. Well, luckily you're not human, chaos being. The humans ain't getting nothing from that, but appeasing their ego. You, as a chaotic being, have to put things up with meaning, with purpose. I don't care what it is. It can be a simple clock. Well, what I'm going to give you today is worth more than time. Say you got a mundane item like a clock, and you really want to put it in your home. Put some intention behind it. Put some energy into it. Putting a clear intention and energy into it will give you more than what time it is. For instance, you can put the intention of I'm always on time into it, or you can put the intention of time is an illusion. Take 5 minutes to put some life into these objects. It'll pay off for you, especially walking by that intention every day. It will pay off for you. Even when your conscious mind forgets what the intention you placed on it is, it still brings power. You know why? Well, you know why. What doesn't forget? Ding, 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 ding. That's right, your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind knows and remembers all. Your subconscious mind knows and remembers all. Your subconscious mind knows and remembers all.
Message.
Remember, your subconscious mind is working in the background for you every day. Small little gestures like that give you an immense power than just seeing what time it is. Your whole home is an altar. And being that your home is an altar, you must place items according to the energy you want to bring in that particular area. For example, everybody should have an Anubis statue right at the front door. Anubis is a protection and secures your home from any harm coming your way. Shit, you talking about ADT and Xfinity Home Security? No, I'm talking about real security, real power and energy. Anubis. Your home is a gateway to your energies. Placing these inanimate objects in certain places in your home puts you in a magical mindset. Your place of space is a powerhouse to your energy. We go out and are bombarded by thousands of symbols and distractions every day. You can't control none of that. One controlling factor you do have is your home and how your home speaks to you. These symbols are energy streams and will bring you energy to your being. Power up your home not only by paying your electric bill, power it up with these energy streams. Dream wise.